If you're still broke at 30, it's not because you don't make enough money. It's because of these 7 habits nobody taught you. Stick around, because habit number 4 is the one that changed everything for me. Habit 1, pay yourself first. Most people pay every bill, then save whatever's left. Which is usually nothing. Flip it. The moment your paycheck hits, move 20% straight into savings or investments, before you touch a single dollar for expenses. Habit 2, track every dollar for 30 days. You can't fix what you don't measure. Use a free app. Write it in a notebook. Whatever, just see where your money actually goes. Most people are shocked by how much leaks out on subscriptions and takeout. Habit 3, build a boring emergency fund first. Before you chase stocks or crypto, save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is what keeps one bad month from turning into bad debt. Habit 4, invest before you feel ready. You don't need $10,000 to start. A simple low-cost index fund, even $50 a month, beats waiting for the perfect time that never comes. Time in the market beats timing the market. Habit 5, increase your income, not just your discipline. Budgeting only gets you so far. The real wealth builders in their 20s and 30s are the ones who added a second income stream. Freelancing. A side business. Or leveling up their skills for a raise. Habit 6, avoid lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up, resist the urge to upgrade everything. Bank the raise instead of the new car payment. That gap is where wealth is actually built. Habit 7, surround yourself with people who talk about money like a tool, not a taboo. Your habits are shaped by your environment. Find communities, podcasts, or mentors who normalize investing and financial growth. None of these habits are flashy. There's no secret stock tip. No overnight hack. Just 7 boring, repeatable choices, done consistently, that compound into real freedom by 30. If this helped, subscribe for a new video every week on building real wealth in America. And drop a comment, which habit are you starting today?